because they're the biggest, meatiest markets, aren't they? So the best thing we can ever put on our cable charts is the dollar against the euro and the dollar against the Japanese yen. And then we obviously add in the carry. So there's really 4 lines that we look at all the time on cable. The dollar, because everything affects the dollar. Everything affects the dollar. So the dollar dropping or rising, in this case, the dollar rising, euro dollar dropping, Japanese yen dropping, cable at highs, it becomes a very, very good proposition. Why? Because people don't buy dollar yen. People don't buy euro dollars on the exchanges. They buy dollars. And they maybe sell a basket of currencies against that bid on the dollar. They'll maybe sell a basket of currencies against a bid on the pound, etc., etc. So they don't just buy dollar yen. That's madness. So when we see that, we know that there's going to be an offer into the cable markets at higher prints, because that's next in line after these 2 bad boys kick off, because cable's the 3rd biggest volume market after the euro and after the Japanese yen. Cable's the 3rd biggest by quite a margin over the Aussie dollar and the Canadian dollar. So we can obviously start expecting to see the offers coming in cable at the high prints against a dollar that's well bid here. People are buying dollars. So where else are they going to get dollars? They're going to get dollars against a high-priced sterling. It's the best place for dollar buyers to get their business done. So we can obviously just make sure we always chart that and try always and trade with it rather than against it. And if we try and trade with it, we can obviously start recognizing some incredible trade opportunities. We did a little classroom on this because I asked the question about the carry trade, and there didn't seem to be anybody that knew the answer to the question about the carry trade. So it was worthwhile doing a little classroom on it to remind people that you can actually take the cable market as a hedge trade against bonds. And that might be something that in the future people might be able to try and do going forward, because it reduces risk whilst particularly not taking away an awful lot of the potential upside or downside profits that are available to you. So dollar yen, euro dollar, the carry trade, which is the UK 10s against the US 10s, and of course the pension funds, which is the S&P against the FTSE, S&P against the FTSE. If you're using TradingView, the FTSE is UKX, and that's what the other lines are. So that's basically it. Four key lines, but those 4 key lines make up the vast majority of business that we do on the vast majority of the business that we do on the cable market.